They told you to build a life, but handed you blueprints drawn by someone else, dreams that didn't fit, masks that muffled your voice, cups with cracks you tried to pour yourself into. But what if building the life you want starts by unbuilding what was never truly yours? What if the ruins are sacred and the rubble your raw material? You're not starting from scratch. You're starting from soul, sculpting a life with your bare, brave hands. One choice, one crack at a time. It isn't about perfection. It's about presence. It's about choosing what lights you up, even if it means letting go of what dimmed you. You don't need permission. You don't have to earn a new life. You just have to remember you're allowed to create it. This is your reclamation, your sacred reconstruction, and you are the artist of your becoming.